we're moving towards pre-planning how we integrate the space capabilities into the overall defense architecture as well. A great example of that is some of the flexible terminal work that allows you to connect to either a proliferated LEO constellation, a geosynchronous commercial constellation, or a highly encrypted military satellite communication system.
Europa has all the ingredients for life. It has water, life as we know it needs water. It has food, essential elements, molecules with carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, and some kind of chemical or some type of energy.
Getting into the nuances of the medical issues, it comes down to what we call the Big Five when we talk about exploration class missions. So we call it the RIDGE framework: radiation, isolation and confinement, distance from Earth, gravity, and extreme environments.